Welcome back, everyone. It's Tip Tuesday again, and I'm Shortcut Sherry. This week, we're going to expand upon the tip that I gave you for Outlook last week. Most of you can relate to having a self-cleaning oven. You turn on the heat, it cleans the oven for you. Wouldn't it be nice if our inbox did that too? Constantly cleaning itself out. I would love that. You can do that, and there's a really cool little trick that I'm going to show you with folders. So last week, I showed you how to create a quick step that would categorize and flag an email. That way I could set it up for scheduling later. But what if after a certain period of time, those are always obsolete? I have to schedule within a couple of weeks or a month or so, and otherwise it's really a moot point. How about we create a folder that we move those items to, and then automatically it cleans itself out if we don't get to it. Last week's quick step was called Events. I'm just going to add another action to that quick step by selecting it and then click Edit Events. The action that I'm going to add is to move it to a specific folder. So I'm going to move it to a folder, and that folder is called Events. If you don't see the folder right away, you can choose Other Folder and navigate to it. And click Save. Currently, this item is in my inbox. I want to move it to the Events folder, so I'm just going to select that same quick step again. And this time it's been moved. It's over here in Events. So it's been flagged for follow-up, it's been categorized as scheduling, and it's been moved to the Events folder. So how do I make that Events folder clean itself out? If you select the folder and then on the ribbon, choose Assign Policy. This is on the Home tab in the Tags group. And you can choose an archive or retention policy. Archive means it will move it to an archive after a certain period of time, or retention means it automatically deletes it. I probably get most events within 30 days, maybe a little bit longer, but let's choose 1 month and it will delete it. Now, every item that hits the Events folder, within 30 days, it will delete itself. So I don't get around to it, totally fine. I'll get back to it later. I do this for articles, newsletters, all of those emails that I get consistently, and I just want to make sure that I don't become a digital hoarder and keep them around forever. If you like this tip, join us every Tuesday when we share our Power Tip Tuesdays. And check out our website for the events we have coming up, including Waffle Wednesday. Because on Wednesdays, we are learning waffles. Thanks for joining me. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier.